Welcome to Veranda race. Now we are going to see how to find the unit digit numbers ending with 3. So we need to know the values of 3 power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9 and 3 cube is 27 and 3 power 4 is 81. So for cyclicity rule we need to divide the power with 4. So here if we divide with 4 means we will get the 92. So here the remaining is 0. If the remaining is 0 means we will take the unit digit of power 4. So here the unit digit is 1. Next, here also numbers are ending with 5. We need to divide the power value with 4. If we divide with 4 means it will become 2, 3, 1. Remaining as a 3 means 3 cube, the unit digit is 7. So answer for this question, it will be 7. So comment your answer for last two questions. Thank you.